Welcome to Tenor Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
You begin by connecting Excel to the live source so data flows into your workbook. Open Data, Get Data, and pick from web or the appropriate connector. Paste the API endpoint or feed URL. When prompted, enter the required authentication, basic, OAuth, or anonymous, so Excel can query repeatedly. Once connected, do a quick preview to confirm rows appear. This confirms the endpoint returns JSON, CSV, or a table. Now you're ready to shape the incoming stream in Power Query. Once done connecting, use the Power Query editor to reshape the feed. Expand JSON objects or XML nodes, remove unused columns, and set reliable data types so calculations won't break. If the API pages results, add parameters and a loop query to combine pages. This keeps data complete. Make transformations deterministic, no volatile steps, so refreshes are stable. Then close and load to a worksheet table, or choose connection only to send data to the data model for pivot tables and reports. To finish, configure query properties. Enable refresh on open and set an automatic interval so data stays live. Build a pivot table or chart from the loaded table, or link queries to the data model for faster analytics. This separates raw data from visuals. Test manual refresh all to confirm end-to-end updates. If something fails, start by re-authenticating the connection, checking API rate limits, and running the same URL in a browser or Postman. This quickly reveals auth, schema, or throttling problems.
Thanks for watching. Subscribe to keep your life in tune.